Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the rocket Blox Fruit. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the stem. Let's start with a curve across. And then another curve underneath, leaving a gap on the left side. Now on the left here, let's draw a point up and another one at the bottom. Then another smaller set next to it. And one more getting smaller again. And then close off the end with a point going out and down to the left. Now underneath the center, let's draw two angled lines down. And a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the stem. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the shape of the body. Underneath on the right, let's draw an angled line down. And we're going to do the same on the left, bringing it behind the stem. Now from the ends, let's curve it downwards. Now from the bottom of the right side, let's bring it down and curve it in slightly. Now top to the left, and for this side, we're going to bring it down, but we're going to stop here to leave room for the arm. Now to draw the arm, let's hop in and we're going to draw a curve down. And from the top, let's bring it out and angle it down on the left. Now from the bottom, let's draw an angled line out. And then a small curve to close off the arm. Lastly, let's hop inside and let's draw another curved angle near the top. And that's it for the arm. Now we can finish drawing the shape of the body. Let's continue the left side by bringing it down and curving it in underneath the arm here. Then to close off the bottom, let's draw two angles meeting at a point over here. Now let's hop inside the body and let's give it some 3D dimension. From the top corners, let's draw an angled line in, meeting at a point. And then from the bottom of the point, let's curve it down. Now inside the front face here, let's draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing a curve up and back down. Then leave a gap and a smaller one on the right side. And then another one underneath, forming a sideways heart shape. Next, underneath in the center, let's draw the mouth by drawing a curved heart. And that's it for the face. Now let's move over and we're going to draw the right arm. From the right side of the body, let's draw an angled line down. And another one underneath. And then close it off at the end with a curve. And that's it for the arm. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the base of the body. From the sides, let's step in and we're going to draw a small line down, and the same on the right. and then another one down in the center. And then close it off with 2 large angled lines. Now for the next section, let's hop to the sides and we're going to draw an angle out and angle it down again. And the same on the right side. And then close off the bottom with 2 angles meeting at a point in the center. And then 1 more angle down in the center like this. And that's it for the rocket Blox Fruit. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!